All right, so today we tackled a little bit of this kind of shelving area. I cleaned up a bit of the top, cleaned up a bit of the bottom. As you can see, this is going to be disgusting, but there was a rat nest in there or a mouse nest. I don't fucking know, but there's shit everywhere. Rat shit, that is. Today was busy and the contractors came by to look at stuff, so I couldn't really do much. So I just cleaned that out, and then I started taking doors and shelving out. I'm not finished. I'm gonna have to continue this tomorrow and continue more cleanup tomorrow. But as you can see, I put a little bit of a dent in it, and also this place will look way bigger tomorrow because 90% of the stuff you see here and in those bags there, it's just all cans we got to return. So we're back for another garbage update. As you know, we took the garbage away, the big pile that we had built up. And here's the new virgin pile. Not so big, but let's take a little tour. Here we got a Vicks vapor rub machine from when I was a child. Some crutches, a little hose thing, the one they forgot. Piss covered paper, cardboard, and a bunch of other junk. There's those doors we took off. And yeah, this is quite a small pile compared to what we have, but trust me, it'll get bigger. Way bigger. And here's a little interesting thing. It's an old city landfill disposal rate kind of paper thing, I guess, to show how much it would cost to dispose of garbage and stuff. Those prices probably extremely outdated. Bet you you're gonna have to pay an arm and a leg now because money is literally worthless. But yeah. Stay tuned for more garbage.